How to block calls on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can block calls on WhatsApp. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. Open up your WhatsApp. Then head over to any DM or any person that you want to block. So after you're here, you can tap on the name on the top. And after you're on your chat settings, you can see something like this after you tap on the name. And there you'll find a lot of different options. Keep on scrolling down until you find an option that says block. So all you have to do is tap on the block option to block this very person and they won't be able to call you anymore. So tap on block and block them. After you've blocked the person, now they won't be able to block you, text you or call you. So if you want to unblock them, you can go to their chat directly and then unblock them from there. And yeah, that's basically how you block calls on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.